Hello everyone and welcome to the first lesson of our Unreal Engine horror game course. In this lesson, we are going to set up our project in Unreal Engine, create a new level and configure post-process volume to control how lighting looks in our games. This is the foundation of our horror game and get it right. Ensure we have a clean professional workspace to build our 3D world. Let's start by opening the Epic Game Launcher. I'll assume you are already downloaded and installed it. If not, head to epicgames.com, grab it and come back. Once you are in the launcher, go to the Unreal Engine tab and click Launch to open the editor. Now we are going to create a new project. In the project browser, select the games category, then choose the blank template. Why blank? It gives us a clean slate perfect for customization our horror games without extra clutter. Let's configure our setting. Choose blueprint. Choose this because we are use Unreal Visual Scripting System blueprint to make coding accessible for beginners. Maximum quality. This ensure our horror games look sharp, which is great for creating a creepy atmosphere. Platform, select desktop console. Since we are bidding for PC, start content. Check this box to include some basic assets like textures and meshes. They'll serve us time later. Now name your project. I'm calling mine horror game, but feel free to pick something fun like spooky. Choose a folder on your computer to save it somewhere easy to find, like a project folder, then hit create project. Unreal will take a moment to set everything up. Now that our project is set up, let's create a press level to work in. The default level that loads is fine, but it's better to start with our O1 to keep things organized. With the content browser at the bottom of the screen, right click and select create folder, name it to maps to store all our levels. Now go to file, new level, choose the default template. This gives us a basic setup with the sky, floor and lighting, perfect for starting our horror game. Save your new level by clicking File, Save As. Navigate to the Maps folder and name it to Level 1. And click Save. Why not use the default level? It's like starting painting on someone else's canvas. Creating our O1 level ensure we control everything from the start, which is key for a horror game where atmosphere matters. Let's fix a common issues in Unreal. Automatic exposure. If you hit play, the play button in the toolbar, and look around, you will notice the scenes get brighter when you look at the ground and darker when you look at the sky. This is Unreal's default exposure, adjusting the lighting dynamically. But for horror games, we want consistently lighting to control the mood. To fix this, we'll use post-process volume. The place actor panel on the left. Search for post-process volume. Drag it into your level. You'll see a yellow box appear in the viewport. This defines the area where post-processing effects apply. Select the post-process volume and the details panel is equal to exposure. You will see min bright and max bright. Likely set it to 0.03 and 2. Check the box next to both and set them to 1. This looks the exposure, so the scene won't brighten or darken as you move. Now if you hit play and look around, the lighting still changes because we are outside the volumes box. To fix this, go back to the post-processing volumes details panel, search for infinity extend and check that box. This makes the post-process effect apply to the entire level, not just inside the box. Test it again with play. Now whether you look at the ground or sky, the lighting stay consistent. The yellow box is no longer needed, it's just a visual guide, but you can keep it in the level for reference. Great job! In the lesson, you'll set up your Unreal Engine project, create a new level called level 1 and configure a post-processing volume to look at exposable, consider lighting. These steps are crucial for building our horror game with the controlled spooky atmosphere. You're now ready to start shaping the game world. The next lesson we give into game instance to set up core setting for our horror game, like saving focus and managing global rules. See you there.